In the world of modern air power, technology has changed everything. The skies above our planet are no longer controlled only by speed or by the size of an aircraft. Today, the true rulers of the sky are machines built with intelligence, stealth, precision, and overwhelming technological superiority. Among these incredible machines, one aircraft has captured the attention of military experts, aviation enthusiasts, and defense strategists across the world. That aircraft is the F-35 Lightning II, a fighter jet designed not just for combat, but for dominance in the most advanced battlefields of the modern era. The F-35 Lightning II represents the future of aerial warfare. It is more than just a jet with powerful engines and advanced weapons. It is a flying network of sensors, computers, and communication systems that give the pilot a level of awareness and control that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. Built with stealth technology, the aircraft is designed to move through enemy airspace with minimal detection, allowing it to approach targets silently and strike with incredible precision. When an F-35 prepares for a mission, everything begins at the airbase. The aircraft stands quietly on the runway, surrounded by the sound of technicians and ground crew completing the final checks. The pilot walks toward the aircraft, wearing one of the most advanced helmets ever designed for aviation. This helmet is not just protective equipment. It is a powerful interface that connects the pilot directly with the aircraft's systems. Inside that visor, the pilot can see flight information, targeting systems, radar data, and even images from cameras mounted around the aircraft. As the engine powers up, the sound of the F-35 begins to grow louder. The aircraft slowly moves toward the runway, and within moments the pilot pushes the throttle forward. The jet accelerates rapidly, the runway rushing beneath its wheels as the powerful engine pushes the aircraft faster and faster. Then suddenly, the nose lifts upward, and the F-35 Lightning II leaves the ground, climbing into the sky with incredible power. Within minutes, the aircraft reaches the clouds, where sunlight reflects across its sleek stealth design. Unlike traditional fighter jets with visible weapons mounted on external pylons, the F-35 carries many of its weapons inside internal bays. This design reduces radar visibility and allows the aircraft to maintain its stealth profile while approaching dangerous areas. As the aircraft flies across the sky, its sensors are constantly scanning the environment. Radar systems search for aircraft, missiles, and ground installations. Infrared sensors detect heat signatures from engines and vehicles far below. Satellite communication systems provide updates from command centers and allied forces. All of this information is combined into a single integrated display system for the pilot. This powerful capability is known as sensor fusion. Instead of overwhelming the pilot with multiple separate systems, the F-35 merges all battlefield information into one clear and understandable picture. This allows the pilot to make faster and more effective decisions, which can mean the difference between victory and defeat in modern air combat. During one mission, the aircraft flies over a massive tropical jungle region. From above, the jungle appears peaceful, with endless green trees stretching toward the horizon. But hidden within this environment are potential threats. Enemy forces may hide radar systems, missile launchers, or even fighter aircraft within remote areas where they are difficult to detect. The F-35 moves carefully across the jungle airspace, flying low enough to observe the terrain while still maintaining tactical advantage. The aircraft's advanced sensors scan the landscape continuously, analyzing every signal and every possible threat. Suddenly, a warning alert appears inside the cockpit. Enemy radar has detected the aircraft and locked onto its position. Within seconds, a missile launches from somewhere deep inside the jungle. The missile streaks into the sky, leaving behind a trail of smoke as it accelerates toward the F-35 Lightning II. But the aircraft was designed for exactly this kind of situation. The pilot reacts instantly, pulling the aircraft into a sharp maneuver. The jet rolls and climbs rapidly while releasing bright defensive flares. These flares burn intensely in the sky, confusing the incoming missile and drawing it away from the aircraft. The missile changes direction, chasing the flares instead of the jet, and then explodes harmlessly in the distance. The F-35 survives the attack without damage. Now the situation changes. What began as a defensive maneuver quickly becomes an opportunity for counterattack. Using its advanced targeting system, the F-35 begins searching for the source of the missile launch. Radar signals and sensor data quickly reveal the location of an enemy fighter aircraft approaching from behind. The pilot locks onto the target. Within seconds, the weapons system confirms that a missile solution is ready. The pilot presses the command, and a precision missile launches from the aircraft's internal weapons bay. The missile cuts through the air with incredible speed. The enemy aircraft attempts to escape, performing desperate maneuvers in an effort to avoid the incoming threat. But modern missiles are extremely intelligent, capable of tracking targets with remarkable accuracy. Moments later, the missile reaches its target. A bright explosion lights up the sky above the jungle as the enemy aircraft is destroyed. Smoke trails drift across the sky while the F-35 continues flying forward, maintaining control of the airspace. After completing the engagement, the aircraft moves toward another mission area. Ahead lies a massive mountain region filled with steep cliffs and narrow valleys. These mountains provide perfect hiding places for enemy installations, allowing them to conceal radar stations, command centers, and weapon systems deep within the terrain. The F-35 Lightning II approaches carefully, using its stealth design to remain undetected. Its sensors scan the mountains, searching for unusual heat signatures or electronic signals that could reveal hidden structures. Eventually, the aircraft detects something unusual. Deep within one of the valleys, hidden among the rocks and shadows, lies a secret enemy base. The installation includes radar equipment, communication systems, and defensive weapons designed to protect the area. Because of the F-35's stealth capabilities, the base has not yet detected the approaching aircraft. This gives the pilot a critical advantage. The targeting system locks onto the structures below. The pilot prepares the strike, confirming the coordinates and selecting precision-guided weapons designed to destroy the base with maximum accuracy. Moments later, the weapons bay doors open briefly beneath the aircraft, and precision missiles launch toward the valley below. The missiles fly silently through the air before striking their targets with devastating force. Explosions echo through the mountains as the enemy base is destroyed. Smoke rises from the valley floor, drifting upward between the rocky peaks. The mission objective has been completed successfully. As the aircraft leaves the area, the pilot reflects on the incredible capabilities of the F-35 Lightning II. This aircraft is not just a fighter jet designed for speed and power. It is a sophisticated system that combines stealth, intelligence, and precision into one remarkable machine. With its ability to detect threats, defend against attacks, and strike targets with incredible accuracy, the F-35 has become one of the most advanced fighter aircraft ever created. As technology continues to evolve, aircraft like the F-35 will play a critical role in shaping the future of aerial combat. They will work alongside drones, satellites, and advanced communication networks to create a new kind of battlefield where information and coordination are just as important as weapons and speed. High above the Earth, hidden among the clouds, the F-35 Lightning II continues its patrol. Silent, powerful, and always ready for the next mission. The sky is vast, and the challenges of the future are constantly changing. But with aircraft like the F-35 guarding the skies, the balance of air power has entered a new and extraordinary era.